Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox voice chat on PS4. First, understand that voice chat is exclusively for users who are 13 years of age or older, a key requirement from Roblox itself. You must ensure your Roblox account accurately reflects this age. Additionally, if parental controls are active on your account, verify that they explicitly permit voice communication. This foundational step is absolutely crucial before proceeding with any other setup. Now let's prepare your PlayStation 4. You will need a compatible headset or external microphone connected to your console. Access your PS4 sound and devices settings. From there, adjust the input and output volumes to comfortable levels, ensuring your microphone is properly detected. Double-check your PlayStation privacy settings too, confirming they allow voice communication within applications and games. This step ensures your hardware is ready. Next, you must verify your age directly through your Roblox account settings. This is a mandatory step that enables voice chat. You will need to submit a valid government-issued identification for this process, which Roblox handles securely and privately. The verification usually takes just a few minutes, so complete it promptly. Once verified, the voice chat option should become available in your account settings. With your account verified, navigate back to your Roblox privacy settings and toggle on the voice chat option. Then, launch a Roblox experience that supports spatial voice. You will typically see a small microphone icon above your avatar or a similar indicator once voice chat is active. Simply click or tap this icon to mute or unmute yourself during gameplay, allowing for clear communication with others. Enjoy the enhanced interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.